Hello student, good morning. Hope you all are fit and fine. So in my last video, we have learned about comparing decimal and today we are going to learn about ordering decimal. Ordering, what is the meaning of ordering? Arranging either in smallest to greatest or greatest to smallest. So in ordering decimal, we'll see ascending order or descending order. So in ascending order, so first we will see what is ascending order. Ordering the numbers from the smallest to the largest number is called ascending order. What is the meaning of ascending order? That we will arrange in smallest to largest or least to greatest. Okay, we'll see example. Here is your example that arrange in ascending order. 0.24, 1.42, 0.29. Now we have to see first, we have to compare one from each other. Now we'll see 0.24. First we'll see before decimal. It means left side of a decimal. So here it is 0. Here 1 and here 0. So what we will see? First we know that 0 is smaller than 1 and 1 is greatest among these three. Okay, so what we will write? So it is a, we will arrange in smallest to largest. So what we will do? We will write largest number at last. So we will arrange first 0.24. Then we'll write this one 0.29 and we'll write this at last 1.42. Okay. Now this is our fixed because we know that largest should be last. Now we'll compare these two. So before decimal both are 0. It means both are equal. Now we'll see after decimal 10th place. Here also 2 and here also 2. Now what? We'll go to the 100th place. That is 4 here and here 9. We know that 4 is smaller than 9 or 9 is greater than 4. So what? We'll write 4 means this number is our smaller than this number. So what we will write? We will arrange now 0.24, then 0.29 and last 1.42. So 0.24, 0.29 and 1.42 are arranged in ascending order. Okay. So we know that 0.24 is smaller than 0.29 is smaller than 1.42. Okay. Now we'll take next example. So here is our another example. 7.51, 7.39, 7.31, 8.47. Again, what we'll see? We'll check before decimal. It means left side of a decimal. Here 7, 7 here also 7 and here it is 8. It means our 8 is greatest among all this. Okay, all this 4, 8 is greatest. So we know that we will write last. Now we'll see, we'll compare next these two. These three we will compare first. So now we'll see 10th place. Here it is 5, here it is 3 and here it is 3. We know that 5 is greater than 3. Okay, so it is a ascending order. It means we have to write from smallest to largest. So we will write these two first and this one last. second last. Okay, we'll write these two till now means yet to compare. 8.47. Our these two over. We have given fixed place to these two digits. Now we'll see, we'll compare these two. So left side of decimal, here also 7, here also 7. 10th place, here also 3, here also 3. Now we'll compare 100th place. Here 9 here and here 1. Okay, 9 is greater than 1. So 1 is smaller than 9. So what we'll write? We'll write this one first. 7.31, then 7.39, 7.51, 8.47. Okay? 7.31, 7.39, 7.51, 8.47. Arranged in ascending order. So our answer is 7.31, 7.39, then 7.51, then 8.47. Okay? So clear about ascending order? So what in this what we have to see? We have to compare the digits. Okay? So it's the smallest to largest means what we will do? We will pick smallest number first till then we'll go to the largest number. Okay? Now we'll see descending number. What do you mean by descending order? It means ordering the numbers from the largest to the smallest number. Ordering it means arranging from the largest to smallest numbers. So we'll see example that arrange in descending order 1.87, 0.85, 1.02. Now we'll see. First we'll see before decimal. It means left side of a decimal. That is 1 here, 0 here and here it is 1. So in this what we have to do? We have to arrange from largest to smallest. So what we will see? We will see greatest number. So we know that 1 is greater than 0. So what? That 0 will be last. And we'll see first. First we will take 1. Okay? Because 1 is a greater. Here also 1, here also 1. That we will compare later. Let us rewrite again. One point 87, 1.02, 0.85. These two still we have to compare. Now we'll see 1.87 and 1.02. Both before decimal, both are equal. Now we'll go to the 10th place. That is 8 here and here 0. So 8 is greater than 0. Okay. So we know that 1.87 is greater than 1.02. So our answer is 1.87, 1.02 and 0.85. So number 1.87, 1.02, 0.85 arranged in descending order. Okay. Now we'll take again one example. Okay. Here is our number that 4.45, 4.66, 4.40, 5.41. Okay. Again same thing. What we have to see first? First we'll compare before decimal. 4 here, 4 here, 4 here. Here is 5. We know that 5 is greater than 4. So what we will do? We will write 5 first. Then we'll see these 3. Okay. We know that this is our greatest among all 4. Okay, now we'll see these 3. So we know that before decimal all are 4, all are equal. Now we'll come to the 10th place. 4 here, 6 here, 4 here. So 6 is greater than 4. What we will take? We will take 4.66. Let's rewrite example again. 5.41, 4.66, 4.45. First we will write these two as it is. 4.40. Okay. Now 5.41 then 4.66. Now we will compare these two. So before decimal both are equal. 10th place also both are equal. Now we'll go to the 100th place. In this 5 here and here it is 0. 5 is greater than 0. Now we'll write 5.41, 4.66, 4.45, then 4.40. So these numbers arranged in descending order. Okay. So these numbers all digits 5.41, 4.66, 4.45, 4.40 arranged in descending order. It means greatest to smallest number. Okay. Hope clear for you all. Both ascending and descending order. Still, if you are having any doubts, you can call me or you can WhatsApp me or you can come to school for clearing your doubts. Thank you. Have a nice day.